Hello? Want a cookie? Oh!
Josiah Hall, moving on, representing Team Usher in the knockout rounds. Congratulations to Josiah. I'm so pumped. Which means I get to keep learning, keep growing. Yeah, man. Coaches, let me remind you, Jeff is available to steal.
Dude, lie
What
down.
would you like to say to Usher?
Huge fan. Wish I could finish this thing out with you. Thank you so much for picking me in the first place.
It's such a
Let's finish it out
production.
2019.
Jeff Lewis, everybody.
Such
Thank
a
you, Jeff.
production.
We'll see you soon, pal.
Lie down. Oh, for God's sake, boy. Put your butt down on the bed. You got this. Go ahead. You got this.